County until 12:30 a.m. At 11:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Zebulon, or 19 miles south of Lewisburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Zebulon, Bunn, Spring Hope, Middlesex, Pilot, and Emmett. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Johnston, Nash, and Wake.